Good morning, student. Let us see problems in exercise 5.2, question number 1. Question is like this: find the position vector of point R which divide the line joining the point P and Q, whose position vector are 2i minus j plus 3k and 5i plus 2j minus 5k in the ratio 3:2. Internally, and second question is externally. Let us solve these questions one by one. Solution: given the point R divides segment PQ in the ratio 3:1, 3:2. Let small p, small q and small r, small p bar, small q bar, small r bar be position vector of points P, Q and R respectively. Therefore, by using internal division, section formula we have R bar is equal to M B bar plus N A bar upon M plus N. Here M is equal to 3, N is equal to 2. A bar is equal to 2i minus j plus 3k and B bar is equal to minus 5i plus 2j minus 5k. Therefore, R bar is equal to 3 into bracket minus 5i plus 2j minus 5k plus 2 into bracket 2i minus j plus 3k upon 3 plus 2. Therefore, R bar is equal to minus 15i plus 3 to the 6j minus 15k plus 4i minus 2j plus 6k divided by 5. Therefore, R bar is equal to minus 15 plus 4 into I plus 6 minus 2 into j plus minus 15 plus 6 into k divided by 5. Therefore, R bar is equal to minus 11I plus 4J minus 9K divided by 5. For R bar is equal to minus 11 by 5I plus 4 by 5J minus 9 by 5K. In this way, which is the required position vector of point R, which is required position vector of point R when point R divide sec PQ internally. In this way, we can solve first question. Let us see second. Now, point R divide sec PQ externally. Therefore, by using external division section formula, we have R bar is equal to MB bar minus NA bar upon M minus N. Put the values. Therefore, R bar is equal to 3 into minus 5I, isn't it? Plus 2J minus 5K minus 2 into bracket 2I minus J plus 3K whole divided by 3 minus 2. Therefore, R bar is equal to minus 15I plus 6J minus 15K minus 4I plus 2J minus 6K whole divided by 1. That is, therefore, R bar is equal to minus 15 minus 4 into I plus 6 plus 2 into J plus minus 15 minus 6 into K. Therefore, R bar is equal to minus 19I plus 8J minus 21K. which is required position vector of point R when R divide sec PQ externally in the ratio 3:2. In this way we can complete question number 1, isn't it? Let us see question number 2. Find the position vector of midpoint M joining the point L 7, 6, 12 and N 5, 4, -2. Solution. Let L bar, M bar, N bar be position vector of point L, M and N respectively, isn't it? Therefore, L bar is equal to 7i minus 6j plus 12k and n bar is equal to 5i plus 4j minus 2k. Since M is midpoint of segment Ln, therefore by midpoint formula M bar is equal to L bar plus N bar upon 2. Therefore, M bar is equal to 7i minus 6j plus 12k plus 5i plus 4j minus 12k whole divided by 2, which is equal to 7 plus 5 into I plus minus 6 plus 4 into j plus 12 minus 2 into k whole divided by 2. Therefore, M bar is equal to 12i minus 2j plus 10k divided by 2, which is equal to 6i minus j plus 5k is required position vector of midpoint M. In this way we can solve question number 2. Let us see one more question. Question number 3. If the point A 30P B minus 1 Q3 and C minus 330 are collinear, then find the ratio in which the point C divides the line segment AB and the values of P and Q. First we will write given. Coordinate of point A 30P. Coordinate of point B minus 1 Q3 and coordinate of point C are minus 330. Let A bar, B bar, C bar be position vector of points A, B and C respectively. Therefore, A bar is equal to 3I plus 0J plus PK. B bar is equal to minus I plus QJ plus 3K and C bar is equal to minus 3I plus 3J plus 0K. Everywhere cap is required. I, J, K, I, J, K, cap. Cap means here I, J, K are unit vectors along the axis X, Y and Z respectively. Keep in mind. So cap is required everywhere, isn't it? Now let point C divide seg AB in the ratio m:1, because here it is not explained that the point C divides externally or internally in the ratio. It is not mentioned. Therefore, we will consider let point C divide segment AB in the ratio m:1. Isn't it? The ratio is also not given. Therefore, we always take m:1. Therefore, by section formula, we have to use always internal division formula. We have C bar is equal to m B bar minus 1 A bar upon m plus 1. Now we put the values. C bar is minus 3I plus 3J. No need to write K, 0K is equal to m into bracket minus I plus qj plus 3k upon minus a bar means 3I plus 0j, no need to write, pk divided by m plus 1, isn't it? Now do cross multiplication. M plus 1 into minus 3j plus 3 minus 3I plus 3j is equal to minus m minus 3 into I plus mq into j plus 3m plus p into k, which is equal to minus 3 into m plus 1 I plus 3m plus 1 into j is equal to minus m minus 3 into I plus m q into j plus 3m plus p into k, isn't it? Using equality of vectors, we have minus 3m minus 3 is equal to minus m minus 3. Comparing coefficient of I, j, k. This is 1. From this we can get minus 3m plus m is equal to minus 3 plus 3 minus 2m is equal to here by section formula we have c bar is equal to m bar plus mb bar plus 1 a bar. Therefore put the values minus 3I plus 3j is equal to m into minus I plus qj plus 3k plus is required plus 1 into a bar means I plus pk upon m plus n. Therefore here plus is required, therefore here plus will come, here plus will come, here plus will come, therefore here plus 3 plus, which is equal to 6. This implies that m is equal to minus 3, isn't it? Since the value of m is negative, Therefore, point C divide seg AB externally in the ratio m is to 1, that is 3 is to 1. Ratio is always positive, isn't it? We have equation minus 3m plus 1 into I plus 3m plus 1 into j is equal to minus m plus 3 into I plus mq into j plus 3m plus p into k. Therefore, 3m plus 3 is equal to mq, isn't it? And three m plus p is equal to 0. Second, and this is third. Since m is equal to minus 3, therefore minus 9 plus 3 is equal to minus 3q. Minus 6 is equal to minus 3q. Therefore 2 is equal to q. Value of q is 2. Minus 9 plus p is equal to 0 implies that p is equal to 9. Thus, values of p and q are values of p and q are 9 and 2 RESP respectively, or p is equal to 9, q is equal to 2. In this way we complete question number 3, isn't it? Remaining question we will see in coming video.